Throughout this inspiring tour, you'll discover the signature architectural elements that define Hacienda style, including graceful archways, white stucco walls, clay roof tiles, exposed timber beams, handcrafted woodwork, and natural stone finishes that have remained admired for generations. We'll also explore beautifully designed living rooms, welcoming kitchens, peaceful bedrooms, luxurious bathrooms, lush central courtyards, and inviting outdoor spaces where covered patios, fountains, gardens, and elegant entertaining areas seamlessly connect with the home's interior. Every space demonstrates how natural materials, earthy textures, artisan craftsmanship, and thoughtful design create an atmosphere that feels timeless, relaxing, and effortlessly sophisticated. Whether you're searching for inspiration for your dream home or simply appreciate architecture that celebrates warmth, beauty, and indoor-outdoor living, this tour is filled with ideas that showcase the enduring appeal of Hacienda style. Before we begin, please like this video. Subscribe to AZ Home Decor for more inspiring luxury home tour and timeless design ideas. And leave a comment below sharing which Hacienda feature becomes your favorite. The beauty of Hacienda architecture begins with its strong connection to nature, craftsmanship, and enduring simplicity that has remained admired for centuries. Smooth white stucco walls, hand-laid clay roof tiles, graceful archways, exposed timber beams, and handcrafted wooden doors establish a welcoming exterior filled with warmth and authenticity. Decorative wrought iron lanterns, rustic stone columns, and carefully carved architectural details introduce texture while celebrating generations of artisan craftsmanship. Wide covered verandas and expansive windows soften the home's solid architectural forms, allowing natural light and fresh air to flow freely throughout the residence, while strengthening the relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces. Together, these timeless elements create a home that feels elegant, grounded, and perfectly suited for relaxed luxury living. Stepping inside reveals interiors that beautifully combine rustic charm with refined contemporary comfort, creating spaces designed for both everyday living and memorable gatherings. Spacious living rooms feature exposed reclaimed wood beams, textured plaster walls, natural stone fireplaces, handcrafted furniture, woven textiles, and warm neutral colors that establish a calm and welcoming atmosphere. The dining room flows naturally into a beautifully appointed kitchen where artisan tile backsplashes, solid wood cabinetry, stone countertops, and elegant lighting create a balance between timeless craftsmanship and modern functionality. Peaceful bedrooms continue the home's warm design language through layered natural fabrics, handcrafted furnishings, and large windows that invite soft daylight into every corner. Spa-inspired bathrooms complete the experience with natural stone, handcrafted tilework, warm wood vanities, and carefully selected finishes that emphasize comfort, simplicity, and quiet luxury. At the center of every remarkable hacienda home lies a beautiful courtyard that serves as both a visual centerpiece and a peaceful gathering place for everyday life. Surrounded by graceful arches, shaded walkways, and flowering gardens, the courtyard creates a seamless connection between every major living space while encouraging moments of relaxation throughout the day. Elegant fountains provide the gentle sound of flowing water, while natural stone pathways, mature olive trees, colorful bougainvillea, and handcrafted clay planters add texture, fragrance, and vibrant seasonal beauty. Comfortable seating areas invite quiet mornings with coffee, intimate family conversations, or evening gatherings beneath the open sky, creating a space that feels both luxurious and deeply personal. This thoughtful integration of architecture and landscape reflects the heart of hacienda living, where nature becomes an essential part of the home's daily experience. Beyond the courtyard, beautifully designed outdoor spaces extend the warmth and elegance of the interior into an environment created for entertaining, relaxation, and year-round enjoyment. Covered patios supported by exposed timber beams offer comfortable shaded retreats furnished with handcrafted dining tables, plush seating, and decorative lanterns that create an inviting atmosphere from day to night. Outdoor kitchens equipped with stone countertops, wood-fired grills, and rustic cabinetry encourage shared meals while strengthening the home's connection to family and hospitality. Nearby fireplaces, pergolas draped with climbing vines, sparkling swimming pools, and lush landscaped gardens transform the property into a private retreat where every outdoor space feels purposeful and beautifully connected. Together, these carefully designed environments celebrate a lifestyle that embraces fresh air, natural beauty, and effortless indoor-outdoor living. The true identity of a hacienda home is expressed through carefully chosen materials and handcrafted details that create lasting beauty while celebrating traditional craftsmanship. Reclaimed wood ceiling beams introduce warmth and architectural character, while terracotta floors, textured stucco walls, natural limestone, artisan ceramic tiles, and decorative wrought iron accents establish a rich palette of authentic materials throughout the home. Handcrafted furniture, woven baskets, clay pottery, natural linen textiles, and carefully layered lighting contribute depth without overwhelming the clean architectural composition. Earth-toned colors inspired by wood, stone, clay, and surrounding landscapes reinforce a timeless aesthetic that remains elegant across changing design trends. As our journey comes to an end, this extraordinary hacienda home reminds us that timeless design is created through harmony between architecture, craftsmanship, natural materials, and the surrounding landscape. From its graceful arches and handcrafted details to its inviting interiors, peaceful courtyards, and beautifully designed outdoor living spaces, every element contributes to a home that feels both luxurious and genuinely welcoming. Rather than following short-lived trends, hacienda style celebrates enduring beauty, functional comfort, and meaningful connections between people and the spaces they inhabit every day. The result is a residence that offers elegance without excess, warmth without compromise, and a lifestyle inspired by nature, tradition, and thoughtful design. If you enjoyed this luxury hacienda home tour, please like this video. Subscribe to AZ Home Decor for more timeless home inspiration, and share your favorite architectural or design feature in the comments below. We'd love to hear what inspired you most.